Uh, let's see. All right, so I don't know what happened. Let's keep going though. Yeah, I don't know what happened. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, we just saw buy side here. Um, so I have no idea what we're gonna do. I would like to see price come up here to attack these highs. So one of the things I would like to see is I would like to see price come back down at least on the 15 minutes, sweep this sell side here. Same thing here, sell side, and then draw higher. But I don't think we're gonna get a setup going into the 10 o'clock macro. So I'm just gonna be watching for now. What the hell? Mm, let's see. Uh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened. All right. Yeah, I would like to see price come back down and sweep these lows here. Once it does that, I want to see at least on the 60 minute at least. I want to see um, a draw into 50%. Once we get that draw into 50%, then I'll look to maybe take a trade. Um, but as it stands right now, I don't like any of this. Um, there's no reason to trade here. I'm gonna be watching this right here at least because on the on the 4 hour on the 4 hour we are respecting this gap here. We do have a three drive pattern right here. So I'll be watching three drive pattern at the highs. If we displace lower, then I'll be looking for maybe a draw lower. Yeah, maybe a draw down here, but I don't know. I don't know. I guess the only thing I'm watching out for right now is just displacement because there's no reason to be in the market right now. Yep, no reason. So we just yeah. The only thing I do like is the you know what? I'm gonna take a short here because all right, what the hell? Okay, there we go. My stop is up here. I'm trying out TradingView. I gave in finally. So I'm gonna give it a try, see what it works. The reason why I'm giving this a try is because I would like to add up here because we have a three drive pattern, SMT at the highs. So if anything, the drawn liquidity right now are these lows or 50% of this range here. So for now, I'm just watching here to see what price decides to do. There's also SMT on ES. So I mean on YM. So YM drew into the highs. I mean YM is in sync with ES with NQ, whereas ES is in sync is the one that's out of sync. There is now SMT at the lows between ES and NQ, but I want to see price draw lower. Otherwise, I'll just take my stop. Um, I'm not looking to trade more than I have to today, so that's why I'm just using one contract. Ooh, that's actually a buy setup. Because the draw and liquidity are the highs, so we'll see. Let's add one more here. Leave the stop up here. There we go. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, so it looks like we're going to continue to draw higher. There's SMT at these lows here. I want to add one more up here because we are not at discount here. Because we are holding below this breaker here. Well, this mitigation block here, but this right here is a breaker as well. And so far we have been failing to get above this mitigation block here. So we'll see. But we just took sell side too, so that could have been the stop I was looking for. Alright, I'm gonna add one more and then that'll be it. Small okay. Alright, that's my stop then. We are still within this. I would like my average to be up here at 6.7. Okay. All right. That's enough. Looks like. All right. So I'm going to take my first one here. That way that way I at least cover one of them. But if I get stopped, then I guess I get stopped. Okay, hopefully there's still some left. Darn, I guess not. Might as well now. I'm in it, so let's go for it. Let's go to the 5 minutes, see what it's doing. What is that doing? Okay, so we are drawing the relative equal lows there. Ooh, we might come back up to sweep the highs again. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't come back down and then just starts, I guess you can say, starts consolidating in this area, then I'll just take it off. Because it does look like we're going to do this. If it closes up here, then I'll just take it off. Because what I think what happens now is I think what we do is if we are going to come draw to these lows, then price is going to sweep up here one more time, and then we're going to get that draw lower. If this sweep wasn't it. Darn. Come on. 43. What's the 15-minute look like? Okay. Yep, definitely looks like we're um we're just consolidating for now. We might inverse this gap here. I'm watching to see how this closes. If we close up here, then that would make this an oh no, I just got stopped. Okay. All right, that's fine. Let's see here. So now this is a 50-minute inversion. I want to see how the 10 o'clock closes. Yep, definitely drawing liquidity up here. Let's see. Coats, jackets. Damn, I really wanted that. Okay, so if it sweeps this high, then I'm just not interested anymore. What I want to see is I want to see at least the 10 o'clock close above this area here. If that happens, then I'll start looking for a setup once again, going into the 11 o'clock macro, because right now I'm not seeing anything. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I'm just not interested. I'm just not comfortable getting long here to attack these highs here. So I'm gonna be watching this carefully over here, especially this right here. Consolidation, manipulation, maybe expansion lower. If that happens, then I'm getting short. But it all depends on how price closes with this candle. I kind of wanted to see price close with a big wick above, but it's not doing so. So we do have a stop run here. SMT at the lows, breaker block right here. So I want to see how price reacts. We took out plenty of liquidity up here. So yeah, I want to see what happens here. Got 2 more minutes. Let's see here. Okay. Alright, so I'm really liking this. I want to see how it closes here. Okay. Perfect. This could be the entry, but again, I'm watching this right here, and we are not at discount. So you can see here, if I wanted to get long, I'd get long up here somewhere, down here. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. Let's do it. This is probably gonna hurt if I get stopped. My stop is if price closes above this right here. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna hurt. You know what? Let's do it. Let's reverse it and let's attack these highs up here. because I got to listen to my what's the word? My long-term bias. Jeez, I'm hungry. First stage, second stage. Let's see. Relative equal lows up here. I mean, relative equal highs. Come on. Okay. Oh, and I'm paper trading, by the way. I'm again, trading view to me right now is a little what's the word? Target profit. Trading view to me right now is a little shit. What's the word? I want to see what it does here. If it completely overtakes this whole thing, then I'm gonna get out because now we have buy side, sell side on the 1 minute. This right here is second stage distribution, expansion, or whatever you want to call it, and that the um the expansion should be aggressive, not just hang out. Couple more minutes. All right, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna re-add down here. There we go. Come on, please come down. And I'm probably gonna regret that. Yep, definitely regretting it. Come on, come down. There's a 15-minute right there. 60-minute is gonna close above there. Right here. Yep, it's not time. Not time just yet. I'm gonna add here. Just hope I get that chance. If not, then that's my own fault for jumping into the trade before 10 or before the 10 o'clock macro, and I deserve the loss. Now it is paper trading, but still, um, the fact that I violated that rule is not no bueno. All right, let's see here. Okay, here we go. I want to see where it closes. All right. Okay, added one there. Still not 100% comfortable. But I want to see where it closes. Now let's draw into the 1 minute. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so that closed completely. All right, so I'm going to add one more. Right there. My stop is rather large. I would like to add one more, but I would like to see price at least go for these highs up here. So now I'm watching this inversion right here. I need to see price get above that, and I need to see price get above this gap right here. One more add down here somewhere. What time did the market open? Midnight right here. Actually, midnight is right here. Okay. Definitely not used to this trading view, but we'll see. I want to see price not suit these lows over here. Let's add this right here. That's my last line of defense. I want to see price come back up here. I want to see it close above this right here. Okay. All right. So this is much better. I don't want to see. I want to see price. I want to see these types of candles, but here now. I don't want to see price fail to get above that. If it does, then I'm going to get out. I just don't like how I'm not trading at a discount. I mean, we are at a discount here, as you can see here, discount. But so the only thing, one of the only reasons why I am maybe taking a shot is because of this SMT. When price fails to sweep that low, that SMT, that means price is likely to visit whatever the opposing liquidity is. So we'll see. But aside from that, I'm just on the higher time frame. Discount is down here, so we'll see. Ooh, yeah. See, this is what I'm watching right here. I want to see where this closes. 2 more seconds. Closed above. Okay. Keeps on failing to get above. Breaker block here. 1 minute. Ooh, we'll see. I want to see big candles like this one right here. No wicks above, nothing. We're almost at the past the breaker. I mean, we're almost past the 10 o'clock macro, so I'm slowly. We'll see. I want to see price close up here. I don't want to see any wicks. If it does, then I'm just gonna get out. Yep, definitely not something I like. Let's just wait a couple more seconds. I'm also watching this inversion here. What is it doing? What is it doing? Come on. I just don't like how it's just not moving. Um, so we'll see. I just need to see an aggressive close above. That's all I'm looking for. If it does, then I'm gonna go hold on to it. We are trading in somewhat of a wedge. So now this candle, I don't want to see this candle close with a wick. And if it closes down here, then I'm gonna get out. It's either now or never. Otherwise, I gotta get out. Here we go. All right, so now I don't want to see price visit down here at all anymore because this candle is proven to be very strong. So at least close above here. I'm gonna take my first one up here. Great. Actually, I'm gonna take two. Let's take two. And then the rest I'll take off up here. My stop is now this low here. I've been in this trade for a little over what I would have wanted, and the macro is about to be over. Come on, a couple more. Again, this is the first stage consolidation expansion, second stage consolidation expansion. So this move should be um, very aggressive. I'm not expecting a pullback all the way down to this area. If it does, then I'm just going to get out, and I'll come back for a later trade if one presents itself. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yep. See, the 5 minute is being a dick. All right. Well, it is holding in that in there. But if it comes down to this area here, then I'm gonna get out. I don't like that. I don't even want to see it come down here anymore. I kind of want to just see it expand. All right, so now let's put the rest here, and that'll be it. I'll leave one because if we continue to draw higher, we might attack these highs up here. So just a little more. My stop is now here. Okay, beautiful. All right, so now my stop loss is here. And the reason why I say that is because on the 5-minute, we have this gap here. If price is going to continue to attack these highs, I want this high to become a breakaway gap. Because as you can see, there's no breakaway gaps here. So if we're going to go all the way up here, then we're going to leave this opened. But if we come back to revisit this gap, then I want to see a tiny, I don't even want to see it hit 50%. I want to see a tiny draw into here and then price continue drawing higher. Yeah, this was just not recommended. Let me delete that right there. Yeah, here we go. Okay, yeah, so I don't even want it to come down to 50%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop right there, right below this void here. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day there. I'm still gonna watch. I'm watching this area here. If it comes down, I want to see. I like how price closed above it, so it might continue to draw higher. But if this becomes a breakaway gap, then I don't want to see price come back down. If it does, again, I don't want to see price touch 50%. I want to see it touch the uh, the beginning of the gap and then continue to draw higher. But if that does, if price just even touches the 50% or the median consequent encroachment of this gap, then that'll be it for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See you tomorrow.